Hello friends, welcome to RJYS Academy. Today we are going to learn about historical country. The country is Iraq. This is the political map of Iraq. Country Iraq, capital city Baghdad, currency Iraqi dinar, national language Arabic, independence on 14th July 1958, Republic on 14th July 1958, total area of Iraq 4,38,317 square kilometers. Population of Iraq 4,222,503. Iraq divides into 19 governorates. Baghdad, also known as City of Arabian Nights. Father of Iraq, Saddam Hussein. Iraq is formerly known as Mesopotamia. The great Mesopotamian civilization was developed around the Tigris River. Iraq bordered by Turkey to the north side, Iran to the east side, Kuwait to the southeast side, Saudi Arabia to the south side, Jordan to the southwest and Syria to the west side. National symbols of Iraq. National flag, a horizontal tricolor of red, white and black charged with the takbir in green Kufic script. National anthem, Mawtin. National sport, football. National emblem, the coat of army. National river, Tigris River. National tree, date palm tree. National fruit, common fig. National flower, rose. National animal, the golden eagle. National bird, chukar. Thank you friends. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.